back at it again with another video. Hello, mi gente, bacana, no bulto. That was for my Spanish folk, for my Dominicans folk, y'all already know what's up. But back at it again with another video today. I will be gutting out my cat for whatever reason. I don't got much to do, so I was like, you know what? Let's do it and let's see how let's see how it sounds. So that's what we're gonna get done today. I'm gonna show you how to do it. If y'all wanna do it, for whatever reason, this could work in any car. You know what I'm saying? It really depends. So you do it at your own risk. For what I know and I was told as well, you do not get the code, for the O2 sense or anything like that when you gut out your cat from over here. So we're gonna get to it in a minute. We're gonna get this popping. So I'll see you back in a minute. Let me go ahead and get the stuff ready. So what you want to do, I went and got the stuff out. So what you want to do, you of course, jack up the car. Since I don't have no jack stands, what I did was I went to go ahead and put one of the tires under there. I'm probably gonna put another one in the back just to be safe. And we're gonna have to go down here, and I'm gonna show you what we got to remove. Oops. We gotta remove these bolts right here. There's two, I think there's 17 or so, and then the one from the cap right all the way up front. So that's what we gotta remove as well. So I'm finna go ahead and try to get that down for you guys, and I'll be back in a minute. So I'm back over here. I want to go ahead and remove it. This being one of the hardest shit ever to remove. This is the whole cat with the resonator and everything. It's right here. So what you want to do, it's like, you see the stuff that is in there, all the metal parts in there. That's what you want to take out. You want to take all of that. You want to hammer out with anything that you could probably break that inside. That's what you want to do. So I'm finna go ahead and do it. I'm gonna show y'all on the way what I do. But this was a pain in the ass to take out. Seriously. Them exhaust bushings, them little bushings, they a pain in the ass to take out. I have to use lubricant and a whole bunch of other stuff. Same thing with the balls. They was super stuck. Like, I never seen nothing like that. But hey, we got it out, so let's keep it moving. Now I'm gonna show you what you gotta do next and how to take all of that stuff off. I was gonna take the O2 sensor out, but I'm not even gonna bother. I'm just gonna go ahead and get it done. So what you wanna do, you wanna just hammer it out. Ooh. See, it's a lot of stuff coming out. So this has like a little gray thing in there. It's metal, but it's some kind of metal. I'm not quite sure what it is, but I'm gonna flip it on. Pull a little bit out. This. But most likely this is what's gonna be coming out of there. It's a lot more to go. So, but you wanna continue to do the same thing till you get it all out. It's like a whole bunch in there. So you wanna just keep doing that. You can hammer it down as well. Whatever's easier for you, but as long as you take it all out, you should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and get this done, and I'm gonna see you back in a minute once I get it all done and everything taken out, and I'm gonna show you how much stuff is in there. Yo, this took me a good while, but we finally got it all out. I got my little assistant over here, hair all over the place, but we're gonna leave it at that. But look, it's a whole bunch. It's about 2 pounds of this. It looks like metal or whatever that is. I honestly don't know what that is, but
it looks like wood.
That's everything that was in there. It actually has this little piece of cutting or whatever that. But we finally got it all out. Thanks to my hard work. Messed up my finger, but it's all good. We're gonna keep it going. So now I'm gonna install it back, and once it's all done, I'm gonna go ahead and do a sound clip of how it sounds with the cat converter, gut it out, and then we'll see what happened. So see you back in a little bit. Put everything back together. It was a pain in the ass. I ended up actually fixing one of my exhaust bushing. It was coming out and it was bent since the car was hit on that side. So right now I'm finna go ahead and do a little test on it, so y'all can go ahead and come with me. Finna turn it around and see how it sounds. Alright, so we're about to check it out and see how it sounds. Nothing out of the ordinary, but sounds pretty good. Finna go ahead and get a little back shot over here. Oh, how she sounds. Since we got a little light right here, it's pretty dark outside. So.
Look at my hair. All right. That was good. All right. You saw the last one. The last one was good.
I'm trying to get it. This shit hard as fuck. This shit harder than I thought. But alright, it's so good. We're gonna get it right. Come on, let's go. Let's roll out. Alright, I'm back out the house. It's gonna be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all already know there's gonna be a lot of videos coming through. So y'all stay tuned, and I'll see you the next one.